Welcome to Just South Leicestershire's demonstration video of how to set up your spinning bike at a virtual spin session at Lutterworth Sports Centre.
Health and Fitness Manager here at Lutterworth Sports Centre. I am going to run you through how to set up your lovely spin bike ready for your class. So we'll start at the back end of the bike. You've got a lever just here. What this does is it adjusts your seat up and down. Okay, what you are looking to do is kind of like loosen it off if you need to, and hopefully just slide that seat up and down, and what you're looking for is it just level with your hip. Okay, turn it back all the way, make sure it's all fully locked in, because the last thing you want to do is slide all the way down or basically pull your seat all the way up. Your next one is for the lovely seat. So from this point, what you want to do is kind of like put your elbow right on the edge of your seat onto your handlebars. If you can fully put your hand onto the handlebars, your seat's actually too close. So again, this lever just here, undo it, spin it out, pull the seat all the way back, tighten it nice and tight, and then you should be able to just about touch it, okay? Once that's all done, hop yourself on the bike. If you feel that the handlebars are comfortably high enough, leave them as they are. If you need to adjust them, undo it again, and you can fully adjust your handlebars, slide them up and down. Just make sure it's fully locked in and tighten it nice and tight. And the last one, guys, just before you start, grab your hand on this red button, turn it all the way to the minus, because when you get on, there'll be zero resistance on it. It's all good.
So if you've been inspired to get involved, check out our website at www.justsouthleicestershire.co.uk, grab your friends, get them signed up and get involved.